Hello, David. Lunch is ready. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am exhausted. It took me about 1 hour to organize this camera because it wants me to sit up close and personal. So that's what I'm doing today. Okay, how have you been? How have you been coping with the corona situation and staying at home? I would love to hear how you have been coping. So leave your comments in the comment box and let me know how you have been coping through this time. So for me, it has become a little bit easier because I got 2 lovely, thoughtful gifts from La Clique. La Clique is a digital agency in Zurich, and I interned with them for 5 months, and they have gifted me 2 lovely gifts. And that's one I'm using right now, which is a ring light to make beautiful, better videos, and a Swiss cookbook because they know I love food and I love to cook. So today, I want to gift you a recipe from this beautiful cookbook. And I'm going to be cooking the onion tart. So I hope you can cook along and enjoy this meal. It's a very good recipe to try with children because it's so simple and an activity for the kids to do while they're at home. If you haven't seen my last video, I will tag it on this video up here. It's 5 things that we have been doing to keep ourselves busy through quarantine time. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. Now let's get cooking and let's bake that onion tart. So just a big shout out to the person behind the camera. That's David. And thank you, David, for helping. So I'm going to start by making the pastry. So the book says 200 grams of white or brown flour. $80 grams of butter, but I already cut the butter, so that's ready. Half teaspoon of salt. Just gonna put some salt there, and yeast, which I didn't get yeast, but I got baking powder, so I'm going to use the baking powder, and I'm gonna put 1/4 cube. It's not in cubes, so I'm gonna put it like this, like, yeah, don't know the calculation. And I'm going to pour it in this bowl. I washed my hands before, guys. It's important to wash your hands before you start this. And then I'm going to put the butter in and this water, 100 ml of water. And the instruction says to mix until the mixture is in a crumble. Mix until the mixture resembles a breadcrumbs. Guys, I think I started the wrong way. It does say in the book the rubbing method, so that means you have to use your hand to rub it in. I'm going to mix it until it's it looks like a soft dough. The instruction says to cover for 10 minutes and let it rest. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Okay, so for the filling, I'll be using this smoked speck in English, I don't know. Smoked pork, and like smoked bacon, but in big chunk, and onion. So I'm going to slice the bacon and the onions. This requires 100 grams of bacon, sliced bacon, and 500 grams of onion cut into strips. Guys, I must tell you, this is my first time making a dough. And it's not going very well, but you know what? We have all the time in the world. And this is like child play. This is like adult dough. And at the end of the day, I'm sure we can eat it. I think my dough either didn't come out very well or I wasn't too patient. But I hope yours will come out better. I'm trying to patchwork. For the custard, I'll be adding 200 ml of double cream, 100 ml milk, 2 eggs, a tablespoon of salt and a little bit of pepper, and I'm going to be mixing that together. Okay, so to prepare the custard, I'll pour in the double cream, the milk, and I'll put the 2 eggs. I'm opening it in here just in case they're bad, then I don't spoil the milk and everything. And then pour them in the salt and pepper. It says a little pepper, it doesn't give any measurement, and the salt is 1 teaspoon salt. And then I'm going to mix. So at this point I have everything I need ready. The onions and the bacons are fried and I need to leave those to cool. The dough is ready and the custard is ready. So what I'm gonna do next is add the cooled onions and custard to the dough, right? And that's it, guys. I think I've done a very good job. We have done a very good job in replicating this recipe. Hope yours comes out very good as well and you will enjoy. Bye until next time.